Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here. Your SolidWorks will probably say 1920 or 1819. They all work the same, just as they did before, with some extras. So while it's loading up, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how to do planes, how to add planes to our drawing. So the first thing you'll want to do is come up here to the very top, and you'll want to do File. Okay, go to File, go to New, and it'll show you a part, assembly, or a drawing. We are going to select Part and tell it to open. Over here, once the menu pulls up, the important area will be right here. This will show you all your planes and the planes that you had drawn. And what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this plane right here. We're going to add more of them. In order to add more of them, we're going to come over here to Geometry, Reference Geometry, and we're going to do Plane. And you see now that it will give us a first reference for the plane. So the plane is a reference of the front plane. We are going to go ahead and tell it 2 inches, just 2 point. And we're going to say, okay, so we want that plane. We can see it's highlighted. We do the check mark, and it's created another plane. Okay, so if we wanted to do yet another plane, we could click this one and go tell it plane, and now we can tell it 2 inches again. And then we can see that we have yet another plane. Okay, so we have 2 planes here. Now we have 3. So if we wanted to do another plane, we could come over here and create yet another one. Okay, we could also tell it 2, but we could also tell it how many we want. As you can see here in the drawing, we can add as many as we want, and they will be spaced out the 2 inches that we wanted. So we could do that, and then we could come over here and we can see all the planes that it created. So when we go to draw on an object, we can draw on the first plane, and then we could draw on the second, third, fourth, and then we can connect them with a spline, also in some areas known as P-line, and then we can connect them. But you're like, well, wait a minute. How do I know what I'm drawing on here? Well, you could simply click the front plane, okay, and you could draw on it. You could also go to the first plane and only show the first plane if you want to. You can come over here to other planes and turn them off as you do it. But right now, I just wanted you to practice doing planes. Okay?